Msi Bravo 2023, and it only has 8 gig of RAM. I'm going to install 8 more. We have screws over here. This screw is actually a factory seal, so you lose warranty. All screws out. Then I just do like this with my nails. A little bit harder on the back. Back cover out. We have here second slot for SSD, by the way. We have one and another. This is the RAM behind this black thing. So we have one empty slot and one slot with 8 gig. Most important is to put it the correct side. You see here, this is a DDR5 4800. So, and then you just make sure it's in, and then you just, and that's it. And now you have 16 gig of RAM. You have 8 and 8.